So here's a classic problem that we don't see anymore. Mouse ain't working too good on it. Kind of gets stuck a little bit. I'll show you how we clean it. So this old PS2 mouse with the trackball, we go ahead and just kind of flip it over here, turn it, pop it out. If you take a look inside, yeah, it's pretty nasty in there. The trackball itself hasn't seen better days either. That's pretty gross. So the quickest and easiest way I clean this, I used to take my thumbnail or fingernail, whatever, and just kind of pick off that crap that's kind of in there. And once that's out, then I would just go ahead, see that junk that came out, take some isopropyl alcohol and just wipe this off. A more in-depth step would be take it apart, and as you can see, that's pretty gross and that's pretty gross. Let me go ahead and wipe it down. Put back together, pretty nasty, but check it out, a lot smoother, a lot better. Isopropyl alcohol, Q-tips, some shop towels, even a little brush. I think it's brand new.